Stark, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for western Stark County in northeastern Ohio.
Oh, okay.
Northeastern Ohio.
Oh, geez. Okay, there's lightning. Cool. That's cool.
Until 8:30 p.m.
That actually scared the crap out of me.
At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Farmerstown, 47 miles southeast of Millersburg.
The end deck isn't on. I'm going to plug that in really quick.
5 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Vehicles will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles
there we
will
go.
occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Walnut Creek and Farmerstown around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Winds speed around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Or around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Greentown, Beach City, Hills and Dales, Mount Hope, Perry Heights, North Lawrence, Charm, Myers Lake, Fredericksburg, and Baltic.
Tornado warning. That's not good. Oh, something else now. Oh, okay. Listen to that harmony. You hear that harmony of weather radios. It's beautiful. If only these would actually work.
Northern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Killbuck or near Millersburg, moving northeast at 65
See how long
miles
till this
per
comes
hour.
in over FM radio.
Wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Strasburg.
Why? Okay, this is broken. Partly. Or the battery's just really dead and that's a... I think this cable might be janky. Okay, yep. Didn't mean to do that. We've got multiple scrolls going on here. We have severe thunderstorm. This is either going to be watch or warning. More lightning. Okay, this is the warning scroll. Tornado warning, and the watch scroll will be right there. And that's that. Maybe triple header? Nope. Okay. Interesting. That's not good. Not affecting us. The tornado warning isn't for us, but we're still under a severe thunderstorm warning and watch actually. But we're still under. Oh, okay. Here we are. There's the third one. Just 10 seconds after. Oh. Okay. This is a watch. Okay, so now we have a watch. Interesting. Oh, there's thunder. Let's see if I can get this W100 to work. 'Cause it'll work for about 5 minutes at a time, then stop. So, oh, okay. Sometimes it doesn't receive, so let's see if we can get one alert on this before it goes out. A lot of the time it doesn't receive, so we'll see. Hope so, because that'll be interesting. And another siren. Go off.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 27.
I'm not looking at a radar right now, so I don't know where this is headed.
And now includes the following counties in Ohio:
I'm listening.
Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull.
Alright, there's that. Come on, something. Oh, okay. So, not another one yet, but we'll probably get another EAS soon. Okay, looks like the FM hasn't, or this station hasn't relayed it yet. And it's covering Stark County, which is part of the tornado warning, so we should be hearing it soon, because that will be urgent. And it should be coming through the index soon.
Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.
I want another EAS to come through.
A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large